In this video, you know all about fruits. So let's start the video. Learning objective. Identify the name of the fruits. Identify the fruit based on their colors. Pronounce the name of the fruit correctly. Apple. A round red fruit with juicy white flesh is known as an apple. Orange. Orange is a citrus fruit with a fragrant smell and juicy flesh. Banana. It is a long curved fruit that has a thick yellow skin. Lemon. Lemon is a yellow citrus fruit that grows on a small tree. Cherry. A cherry is a small, round, red fruit that can be sweet or sour. Strawberry. The strawberry is a soft red fruit that develops on a low-lying plant. Pear. A pear is an edible teardrop-shaped fruit. It is usually green or yellow in color. Mango. A mango is a sweet, juicy, yellow fruit with an elongated shape. Grapes. Grapes are sweet, small fruit that have a purple color. Thank you. I hope you learned something new today.